Hello guys and welcome back to Best Car Picks. Lamborghini will launch the plug-in hybrid PHEV successor to the Huracan supercar in a matter of weeks, completing its transition to a full hybrid model lineup. Expected to be named the Temerario, the new entry-level Lamborghini will be unveiled on August 16 at Pebble Beach as a part of the 2024 Monterey Car Week. Like the flagship Revuelto, the Temerario will feature a PHEV powertrain, with 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 replacing the iconic V10 found in previous Gallardo and Huracan models. A trio of electric motors will boost outputs as well as provide all-wheel drive. On its own, the bespoke, flat-plane crankshaft V8 is capable of producing 588 kilowatts of power and 730 Nm of torque, with a rev limit of 10,000 revolutions per minute. Codenamed LP634, the V8 tops the outputs of the previous 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10, which made 470 kilowatts and 565 Nm in the Huracan Santo. The introduction of a hybrid system widens the gap even further. An axial electric motor sits between the V8 and its dual-clutch automatic transmission, providing up to 110 kilowatts and 300 Nm of assistance. Total system outputs have not yet been confirmed. The electric driving range of the Temerario also remains a mystery, although that question will undoubtedly be answered in just over a fortnight. Lamborghini has promised that the pair of turbochargers and pair of lost cylinders won't detract from the engine note of the Temerario. Another crucial element of the design process was to define the sound, to give the new powerplant a unique and distinctive character and deliver the driver an unparalleled driving experience, the carmaker previously said in a media statement. The characteristics of the new V8 intensify in a crescendo that at high revs reaches its peak in terms of volume and frequency content, and this, in harmony with the vibrations transmitted to the chassis by the flat-plane crankshaft, creates an all-encompassing sensory experience. Designed from the ground up, the Temerario will also have a completely different look inside and out, with bodywork that distinguishes the new nameplate from both its Huracan predecessor and Revuelto stablemate. Deliveries of the Temerario are expected to kick off in 2025, as Lamborghini enters the new era of electrification. Alongside the Temerario and Revuelto supercars sits the Urus SE SUV, which is also powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 and hybrid system. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe for more such interesting content. Thank you for watching my video.